Today we're going to remove the battery from a 2014 Toyota Camry. Alright, what you'll be needing will be a 10mm socket. If I can get it to focus, there it is. And a 10mm wrench. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and loosen up the positive terminal and the negative terminal as well. And once you have both terminals loose, let's go ahead and remove the negative terminal first, and we'll set this to the side. Let's go ahead and remove the positive terminal if we loosened it up enough. And set that to the side. Now we're going to use our 10mm socket to take out these screws here. Well, this one's a screw, that one's a nut. Let's go ahead and remove this from here. Let's go ahead and loosen this one up a little bit. And let's go ahead and remove this one from here. Set this to the side. Let's go ahead and swing this around or unlatch it from the bottom and bring this out, which will make it easier. And now the battery's loose, and out comes the battery. And that is how you remove a battery from a 2014 Toyota Camry. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.